In this week's Parsha, Nasso, we're introduced to a process known as Vidduy, commonly translated as confession. Other religions have taken the same notion as well. But in Hebrew, the word Vidduy is related to the word Todah, thank you, or Hoda'ah, acknowledgement. The process of Vidduy is to openly verbalise one's shortcomings, one's faults, to admit it to oneself, to admit it to the world. And that's very powerful, because when you can actually verbalise your shortcoming, it promotes regret and remorse. Regret is more relating to the event. Remorse relates more to one's own feelings. And therefore, both of these then contribute to a process known as Teshuva, returning to spiritual normalcy. So that act of verbalization, promoting regret and remorse, creating Teshuva, means that we're able to neutralize the past negativity. In Hasidic teachings, we even say that we elevate it to make it an asset. And in so doing, we're able to become a better contributor to our own lives and the lives of those around us. Have courage. Admit your faults. Verbalize them. Vidduy.